And there's the bell. Oh, Michael, this is going to be fun to watch. Ow! Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Looking fresh right now, which is good. You got to wonder how much longer that can last, though.
Oh, out of nowhere. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
He's endured heavy blows here. I don't know how much longer he can go. The referee may have to call this match, King.
Oh, my gosh, this is awful. I'm going to tell you something. Whenever you get hit like that, for the next 15 minutes, everybody you see has an exact win. He looks absolutely unstoppable here. He's got him hooked. Oh, that can't feel good.
One of these guys is going to walk away with the win here tonight. I just can't imagine one of them also accepting defeat.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
Oh no, we know what this is.
What a powerful slam. Wait, is he still conscious? Man, that looked bad.
These guys are giving it their all here tonight, not just to entertain the fans, but to ultimately walk away with the win.
He's looking to create some separation here.
That'll make your heart beat. Every now and then, you'll see a competitor pick up a lucky win, but that's nearly impossible in a tournament format. Only the absolute cream of the crop go on to the finals. Tournaments like this truly are a marathon. You have to be careful not to exhaust yourself in the early rounds. Otherwise, you'll be watching the finals on a monitor in the back. The strike finds its target.
Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. The corner running knee lift. The end is near.
No kidding. You don't survive those knee lifts. Wow, he's still down after that.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Keep the action inside the ring. That's where you're going to win this thing.
Oh, he missed. Ouch, the running body block.
Ooh, that was brutal. The shoulders are down. 1, 2.
So much on the line in this one, and like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in WWE.
That's something I learned early on in my stay here in the WWE.
Yeah, like the night I beat you.
Yeah, absolutely anything can happen in the WWE. Even that. Look out. That's it. He's done.
Going for the cover.
1, 2.
This match will have a lot of big moves. One question will be, who will capitalize on those moves the best?
And who will capitalize on those moves the earliest? That's important.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
I can't blame him. Keep it in the ring. Oh, there it is. There's some serious power right there.
So many great names entered into this tournament, but in the end, there will only be one left standing as the winner.
He's still not through.
Here we go, back inside the ring.
What do you mean we? We're still outside the ring, Cole. It's them. They're inside the ring. Oh, out of nowhere.
Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight.
Oh, you're right about that. You always have a great time when you attend a WWE event live, just like we are here tonight. This is wonderful.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
Well, that's a strategy you have to always have in the back of your head, Cole. If you ever see a weakness in your opponent, you got to jump on it. Going for broke.
The end of days, can you say, end of the world?
Yeah, it's the end of that guy's world.
Great match here, but if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action.
I go to WWE.com all the time to catch up on the Divas. He's showing no signs of letting up. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
What a move by Ortiz.
Oh, that was simply amazing, Cole. Ortiz is amazing. Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there.
And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him. Nothing good is going to happen out here on the floor.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Well, I don't blame him. Keep the action inside the ring. That's where you're going to win this thing. Really pushing his opponent to the limit here.
Tournaments like this truly are a marathon. You have to be careful not to exhaust yourself in the early rounds. Otherwise, you'll be watching the finals on a monitor in the back.